Yes. Last class we have discussed how to install the TypeScript, right? So what is node repository? What is npm program? These concepts we have discussed the last session. I guess all of you install these concepts. Okay. So now we are discussing how to work with the TypeScript program. So once again, just a little bit refreshment in your concept, which we are discussing last class. Node repository. Repository means nothing but a location. Repository is a location we are using to download the packages like Angular packages, React packages, TypeScript. Like that, these softwares we are downloading from Node repository. Okay. Yes. Now, you want to download any software from the Node repository, we are taking the support of one program, that is npm program, Node Package Manager. So this program we are using to manage to download the packages from Node repository. Okay. Yes. So how we downloaded that package? First of all, npm program is required for us. Once that program is available, then only we can download the packages. For that, yesterday we installed the Node.js. So after installation of Node.js, we got that npm program, right? Yeah. So here how we install this Node.js from website like nodejs.org. So this is the website. From this website, we downloaded the Node.js. So you can use any version here. LTS means long-term support, and current version is this one. So any version I can use here. So just click on this and install. Installation process is normal. So double click and go to the next install. That's all. Once you install this Node.js, then npm program is available for us. Yes, that npm program we are using to install the TypeScript. So how we install that one? Open the command prompt. Npm install TypeScript. This is a command we have given like this. Yes, npm install TypeScript. Now, when I press enter key, then it is installing the TypeScript software. Yes. Then here after that, TypeScript is installed and we are ready to create the program here. So thing is, TypeScript we are using for programmer convenient. So TypeScript is supporting the data types, object-oriented programming concepts. Like there are many concepts it is supporting. This TypeScript, the main purpose of this TypeScript is we are using for programmer convenient. Yes, but finally we are taking the support of JavaScript only, because once the program execution is compilation is completed, later we are getting JavaScript file. That JavaScript file we are using in our application. So how to compile the JavaScript file? Okay, how to work with that? We're going to discuss that concept now. Okay. Yes. See, first of all, one program I want to create, that program I want to convert into JavaScript file. Okay. So that is my requirement. Open. Right now I'm discussing with Edit Plus. Later we will work on that Microsoft Visual Studio Code. We will work with that Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Now let me open this Edit Plus for now. So here I'm creating the TypeScript program. Yes. See, in TypeScript file, we can also use JavaScript statements because finally it is converting into JavaScript. That's why we can also use the JavaScript comments. Now I'm using that JavaScript statements now. So just I'm using a let statement. Save this program. See, in my desktop, I'm saving this program in a folder. So let me check. Yeah, new folder I'm creating now. With name type. Okay. In this folder, I want to save this. Yeah. File name, anything we can use. First, yes, first dot ts. So what the extension I told you, we are using dot ts. Yes. Now this is first dot ts file which I have given. In this file, I am displaying the welcome message. That's a simple welcome message. Now I want to compile this program. So yesterday I told you one command we are using to compile the program. What's that command? So ts is the command which we are using to compile the TypeScript program, right? Yes. I'm taking that command now. Just see, this is the type folder. In this type folder, this is first.ts file. That file I want to compile now. So we need to open the command prompt in this location. So here, just open the command prompt. Go to cd cd and desktop path you have to go. So it is entirely big thing. That's why simply you can also open the command prompt in this location directly. Select this address and type cmd. Then command prompt is opened in that desktop folder, in the desktop type folder. So once again, I will tell you. So in this location, I want to open the command prompt. So where it is available in that type folder. Yes. There first is there. Select this and type cmd. Okay. Okay, now here in this esc, what the file name we have? Yes. first dot ts. Meaning of the statement is, so compile this first dot ts file. Press enter key now. The first dot ts file is compiled here. Okay. Fine. Now, in this location, you got .js file. Yes. So we got this .js file. Means that is generated the JavaScript file. So what the statement we have in .js file, I will show you. Open with edit plus same alert. Welcome message is there. Okay. Now let me close all the other programs. So what is the TS file we created based on the TS file? Okay. The .js file is generated. It displays that message. What the message we got here? Same welcome message we are getting as message. Okay. Yeah. Now we can ask me, sir, what is the benefit of this? Directly we can write, we can create the JS file and we can write this welcome message something. Why should we create the TS file? Because both are same. Finally, we are getting the same content. So that type of questions, doubts you may get now. So here, so in single line statement point of view, this is single line statement. That's why here. In this single line statement, the same line is generating. But if you take the concepts like some concepts, okay, there is lots of difference between the TypeScript coding and JavaScript coding. Okay, so for example, one program I'm writing here. So this is TypeScript file. In this file, simple program. Yes. Now, already command prompt is open. So up arrow I have given. So same last statement, it generates up arrow. I compiled the same command. That file, right click, open with edit plus. Now you can see for that program how many lines difference is there. Okay, in class we have taken. Okay, now if you observe this one, so just TypeScript I have written like this class CLS1 and something. But when you take the JavaScript, we got okay this number of statements here. So that's why alert, okay, these type of commands very simple. Directly it will generate as it is. But some statements, if you take here, so those commands are difficult in JavaScript, but those are very simplified in TypeScript. Okay, that is the main reason why we are using the TypeScript. So the main purpose of TypeScript is programmers convenient. We are using for programmers convenient. In that point of view, taking the support of this TypeScript. Okay. Now it is generated as JavaScript file. Now if you observe this one, this JavaScript file we can use in our HTML program. Yes, we are using in our HTML program. So just I want to create one HTML program, open edit plus. save this file in the same location. What that type folder, in that folder. So pro.html I have given. How to call JavaScript file from HTML program by using script tag. Script source is equal to, what the file, it is generated with the same name. TS is first.ts with the same name. We got first.js. And the body tag I'm using here. In this body, just I'm displaying the message welcome. Yes. Yeah. Now open that file pro.html. It is available in the same folder location. Double click on this. Then if you observe this, displays welcome message and alert I have given. So what the first.js is there in the same location, type folder. So okay, first.js is modified with another script just now. Okay, that is class script is available. What are the classes? What are the classes? I have taken those classes script. Once again, I'm creating with new script here. Just open this TS file. The TS file icon is media player icon. Operating system is providing this media player icon. Okay, now let something like welcome have given. Save this program and once again open the command prompt now. tsc first.ts. Now if I refresh this output, welcome message we are getting like this. Yes. This is the way how to create the TypeScript file, and from the TypeScript file how to generate JavaScript file. Yes. So here this concept you clear, I guess. Janardhan, Kartikeya. So Kartikeya, is it first class or yesterday you attended?
Yes, sir. This is the first class. I have attended day before yesterday.
So yesterday we have discussed how to install the node, because here in order to install the TypeScript, npm program is required. Okay. So already I explained beginning class also, today beginning class, that npm program, how to install that Node.js. Once you install the Node.js software, then npm is available. Okay. So
Sir.
once npm is available in command prompt, you need to execute one command here. What that npm install Node.js, sorry, TypeScript, that command we are executing. Then it will install the TypeScript. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
After installation of TypeScript, we can create the program and we can save that program with the extension .ts. That we can compile with the help of tsc. ts is the command to compile that TypeScript program. Okay.
Okay.
So any more doubts, other persons? Janardhan, Manisha, Sirisha, you have any other doubts or other queries?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are discussing the data types supported by TypeScript. Okay. What are the data types we have? Those data types we are discussing now. So here, the main difference between JavaScript and TypeScript is JavaScript is not type safe. Okay, so TypeScript is type safe. Type safe means what is the meaning of type safe? Supports data types. Okay, now here just TypeScript is type safe, supports many data types to create variables. Yes, yeah. Now in TypeScript, variable declaration, okay, starts with where or let keyword. So I will discuss with you later what is the difference between where and let. Okay, so just in TypeScript, we can declare variable using where or let keywords. Yes, any one of these two we can use here. Either where or let. Okay. Yeah. What are the data types available here? Okay. Available data types are number is one data type. Next one, string, boolean, any, undefined. Like that, these are the main data types which we have in this TypeScript. Okay. So now I am creating these variables here. Number can store the numeric values, string collection of characters, boolean either true or false. Any means, yeah, it may be number or string, any value it can store, and undefined. These are the basic data types here. Okay, but in Angular, few more data types are available. Okay, in Angular, few more data types are available here. Angular is giving some more data types. We'll discuss those types later. So I am talking about TypeScript point of view. These are the main data types which we have in TypeScript. Okay. Yes. Now we are discussing how to work with these data types. Okay. So first of all, see this program. Your program is open here. Where serial number colon SNO colon number under Advenced. This is the data type and this is the variable name, and sorry, this is where keyword and this is variable name and this is the data type. So here we are using data type after the name of variable with a separate colon, and what the value we have, 100 is the value. Yes. Where and let we are using to specify access scope to the variables. What is that access scope? That concept I'll discuss with you later. So just for now, remember this point, we are using where or let keyword to declare the variables. Okay. Yes. So what is the exact difference between where and let? I will discuss with you. Okay, later. That is not issue. Okay. Now, if you observe this concept in this point of view, okay. So just I declare the variable here. What the name of variable I have given? That is serial number. Okay, and value is nothing but simply I have given 100. Yes, yeah. I want to print this variable value now. So here, I'll add serial number. Okay. Now open the command prompt and again up arrow, execute this. The code is recompiling. Yes. Now, if you observe this program, already it is open in browser. Refresh. What is the output we got? 100 is the output which we are getting here. Now, one more variable I want to take. String is equal to Scott. Let unit. So my requirement is uname is equal to 1, 2, 3 I've given in next line. Yes. Uname is equal to 1, 2, 3 I've given. Is it valid statement or invalid statement?
Invalid.
Yes, it is invalid because we have given 100. Okay, so that serial number is number type I have given here. After that, we are trying to give again in that serial number. Okay, not serial number, uname. The uname I defined with data type. What the data type I have given the uname? So that is string I have given. Again, I am trying to use number 1, 2, 3. That is not allowed here because the thing is, okay, we restricted that variable with the string data type, right? Yeah. So that's why it won't take number into the consideration. Now I am using this concept. So once I compile this program, what would be the output? Error message it displays here. So as I told you, okay, TypeScript is very good in error point of view. Okay, 1 second. Here Scott is there, that uname. So where uname colon string is equal to Scott I have given, and I'm printing that. So after that, uname is equal to 1, 2, 3 I have given. Okay. Now, so here, just a minute. So let me check like this. Open the command prompt once again. tsc push.ts. Yes. So here, remove this. 1 second, up arrow. I display the message uname 1, 2, 3 is not assignable because uname is string data type. You are trying to assign number, like that it displays the output. Previous it is not refreshed properly. That is the reason why we didn't get that. So anyhow, if you observe this concept now, in this concept we are getting the proper output now. So what is the meaning of this? Uname is not assigned with any value, means number value. So because that is declared as string. Okay, that is the meaning of this program. Okay, fine. Now, so I think you clear with this concept. how to declare the data types. Few more data types we have. We're discussing about these data types here, where x colon boolean is equal to, we can store either true or false here. Okay. So x colon boolean is equal to, what is that value I have given? True. And let x, where y colon any is equal to 1, 2, 3, and after that y is equal to Raj I have given. Is it valid or invalid? In this
Valid.
statement, valid or invalid?
Valid.
Yes, because any I have given means it can store any type of value. Is it clear? Any data type can store any type of value. So this is valid now. So if you recompile this program, just I'm recompiling here, you won't get any error message like this. Yes, it is compiled successfully. So finally here I'm using alert x. Alert is used to display message box here. Alert y I have given this two. Now again up arrow will give the last statement. Yeah. Now in this browser, refresh it. So serial number 100, uname Scott, boolean value x is true, and next one Raj I am printing like this, and before that y is any variable we have something. Initially y value is, what is that y value? 1, 2, 3. After that we change it as Raj. X multiple times I'm printing, remove this statement. Okay. Yeah. Now where Z colon any I have given, or Z colon number. Okay, then the chance is undefined. Okay, now alert Z I have given, it converts that number into undefined internally, because if the variable is not assigned with any value, then its type is converting into undefined. If you observe this, refresh it, the 100 Scott, true Raj, undefined is the output. Like that we are getting this output here. So this is the way how to declare the variables in TypeScript. So same procedure we are using in Angular also, because Angular is completely depending upon the TypeScript coding only. Yes, yeah. So like that we are declaring the variables in our applications. Got it? Yeah. So I think you clear with this concept. Any doubts you have, you can ask me now. Any questions, any doubts? No doubt, no queries. Right? Fine. Now we will discuss how to compile multiple TypeScript files at a time. That concept we are discussing. Okay. In a project, we don't have single file to compile file by file here. Okay. Every project contains multiple files. Now we are discussing how to compile those multiple files. So that concept we are discussing now. Okay, fine. See, yes, this is concept which I'm storing in your notes file. Yeah. So those who are registered, okay, they will get this notes to your mail IDs. Okay. Now here, this is program first.ts. In this program, I'm using like, yeah, alert. Yeah. Welcome message are given. Now in this location, assume that this is our project location. Okay. In this location, we have one file first.ts. So copy and paste many files here. Now this is okay. Yeah. Second or file 2. This is file 3 and this is file 4. So first, next one, file 2, file 3, file 4. Like that we have these files. Okay. Now I want to run these multiple files in a single shot. Yeah, you can access up to 6 months. Okay. Yeah. Single file you want to compile, then let me clean this screen. CLS is the command. Okay. So here, what the last command we are given? tsc first.ts. And the next one, file2.ts. Next one, file 3. Like that we are using. Now, if you observe here, these 3 files are compiling and generated. Okay. That related JavaScript files. Okay. These 3 files are compiled and we got the related JS files. So that is the concept of this. Okay, fine. Now here, command once again, if you observe, how many files you want to compile, those files one by one, you need to specify there by using the separator space. Space is the separate between one file and another file. Okay, fine. So now I don't want to provide the file names. Without specifying the file names, I want to compile all the files which are available in the current location. In that point of view, we are taking the support of Tgsconfig.json file. I think you people may expect somewhere if I keep the star in this location, then it compiles the all files. Like that, you may expect this one. Okay. But we don't use star and other special characters here. So we are taking the support of Tgsconfig.json file. Is it clear? So this file contains the configuration settings of TypeScript. We are using this file to define the TypeScript configuration settings. And also we are using the same file in another point of view, that is for the multiple TS files compilation. Okay, yes. In these notes, I am giving the statement. So copied note somewhere. So now here, very important file. Now we are discussing how to compile the multiple TypeScript files by using tsconfig.json. Okay, later we will discuss what are the configuration settings we are using. Those configuration settings we will discuss later. Okay, yes. Using this file, we can maintain the configuration settings. TypeScript. We can also use this file to compile multiple TypeScript files at once. Yes. So there are two reasons we have to work with this file. One is, yes, so to maintain the configuration settings of TypeScript. So that's the first point. Second point is to compile the multiple TypeScript files in a single shot. Okay, there are two reasons we are using. So right now I'm not explaining you how to maintain the configuration settings. We'll discuss that concept later. Just we are discussing how to compare multiple TypeScript files at once. So that concept we are discussing now. Is it clear? So I think you're clear with this point now. Okay, fine. So in this location, we need to create the Tgsconfig.json file. First of all, what are the files we generated? The JS files I'm deleting. Yes, we have only TS files. Now what I am doing here, I want to create a file in this location. So new file. What is the location we are working? What is our workspace? Type is the folder. There Tgsconfig.json. That file I created. That's all. No need to write anything in this file for now. So later I will discuss with you how to maintain the configuration settings, everything. Now here, if you observe this workspace, we have tsconfig.json file. So if the file is presented, then we can compare multiple TypeScript files in a single shot. Now I am using tsc command, simple tsc command, press enter key. Then here, yes, we got the all files related JS files. Okay, JavaScript files are generated. Once again, let me delete these all JS files. Delete this one. And this. This tsconfig.json also I'm deleting. I deleted. Now up arrow. So if you observe this one, it is not generated any JS files because it says the message tsconfig.json file is required to execute this command. Is it clear? Yes. Now just to undo, we got the tsconfig.json file now. Yes, we got tsconfig.json file. Now again, if I run this tsc command, it will work fine and you will get that all JavaScript files related to this TypeScript. This is about the concept of tsconfig.json. So this tsconfig.json file we are using in multiple concepts. First one is to compile the multiple TypeScript files in a single shot. Another one is to specify the configuration settings. Okay. TypeScript configuration settings. In this point of view, we are using these files. So what are the configuration settings we are using? Those configuration settings we'll discuss later. Anyhow, this is the concept which we are using now. Yeah. So next, we need to discuss what are the configuration settings required to work with this TypeScript. And next one, what is the difference between var and let? And what are the functions we have to manage the arrays, string, etc. One by one, these concepts we'll discuss. What are the concepts of ECMAScript? Okay, because it is completely depending upon ECMAScript. Okay, so this TypeScript and JavaScript follows the rules of ECMAScript. how to work with this ECMAScript, everything we need to discuss. So those concepts I will explain in the next session. Okay, one by one we'll discuss those concepts. Yeah. See, this is project-based classes. Okay, so concepts I will discuss in project point of view. Okay, so we will create a small application. In that application, day-wise concepts how to implement we will discuss here. Okay, so after some concepts explanation, so one application. Okay, again after some concepts explanation, so some more add-ons in that application, like that we are discussing here. Okay, company live project you want, that is a separate batch is there, you can join with the batch. But to attend the live project, these basics are, means not basic, these concepts are very important. You must know the concepts of Angular, then only you can attend the live project. Here also we are discussing project-based concepts, but we don't discuss here SMS gateway integration, payment gateway integration, these type of concepts here. Those all will be covered in live project. Next. Already one project batch is started few days back, but that is not suits to you because okay, already we started the project. Yeah, after 1 month like that it will start. So one more project will start, that project batch. You can attend that. Okay. Any more doubts? Any more queries we have? You can ask me. No doubts, no queries, right? Fine. So next class we'll discuss the remaining concepts related to this. Okay. And tomorrow the link may change. Okay. Definitely it will change here. Okay, because already 4 sessions are completed. I guess tomorrow it will change. That's why because before joining the class, please check your mail IDs once. Okay, if you get new link, join with the new link. If you don't get new link, then same link will be continue. Yes, timings are fixed, no change in timings. Okay. Any more questions? Any more queries? Okay, fine. So just all of you create one sample TypeScript program and compile that program. Okay. Yes. So and create Tgsconfig.json file and use tsc command to compile the multiple TypeScript programs. Next class we'll discuss the remaining concepts. In next class you can leave now. Thank you.